there is an inescapable realization in each and every one of us that we are interconnected, and everything that we experience on the inside is felt and brought through onto the planet. And so every time that we wake up, we have an insight. We create an evolutionary step in our own plan of creation. We're connected to and emanating that into the heart of the planet, into the heart of all beings, literally into the heart of the universe, that life is living itself through us. And in that awareness, we have a general sense of that there's a purpose happening, perfectly unfolding through us.